Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news for drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is on its way. It's packed with features that are sure to impress. In this video, we'll be discussing the expected features of this upcoming drone and the potential impact it could have on the world of aerial photography and videography. So let's get started. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is officially in development and we can expect its release in the near future. This announcement has created a buzz in the drone community, and for good reason. DJI has a reputation for delivering high-quality drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to be no exception. With its release just around the corner, let's take a look at what this new drone might offer. Now, let's talk about the features that are rumored to be included in the DJI Mini 5 Pro. First and foremost, it's expected to come with a 1-inch sensor camera, which would be a significant upgrade, allowing for better image quality and low-light performance. Additionally, the improved stabilization is said to provide even smoother footage, which is great news for videographers. The Mini 5 Pro is also rumored to have a higher maximum speed, enabling more dynamic and fast-paced shots. This could be particularly useful for capturing action scenes or following moving subjects. Moreover, the enhanced autonomous features are expected to make the drone easier to control, even for beginners. These features might include advanced obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes. Lastly, the longer flight time is a highly anticipated feature, as it would allow users to fly for extended periods without needing to recharge. This would be especially beneficial for those who use their drones for professional purposes or long recording sessions. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has the potential to be a game changer in the drone market. With its expected features, it could democratize aerial photography and videography, making it more accessible to a wider audience. The rumored price point suggests that it will be competitively priced, which means more people will be able to experience high-quality drone technology without breaking the bank. This could lead to a surge in creative content as more users will have the tools to capture stunning aerial shots and videos. The Mini 5 Pro's advanced features could also inspire new use cases and applications, further expanding the possibilities of what can be achieved with a drone. As we look forward to the release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, it's clear that this drone has the potential to set new standards in the industry. With its combination of a 1-inch sensor camera, improved stabilization, higher maximum speed, enhanced autonomous features, and longer flight time, it promises to be a powerful tool for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Thank you for watching. If you're as excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro as we are, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates and reviews. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. Until next time, happy flying!